Good morning, this is Tony from Yacht Controller and the Yacht Group. And today we're on a 78-foot 2024 Serena yacht equipped with a Maximo Series Yacht Controller. And today's video tutorial is to just basically show a range test, the capability of the range in our wireless control based on the dual band technology with multiple channel combinations. Now obviously, a remote control for safe practices is to be used on board the vessel. You can jump off the boat with a line tied. So just take this as a basis just to do a range test, not to be used as a physical wireless remote control for your boat. So we're starting off here off on the dock. We've got control of the boat. And on the Maximo series, you do have the two LED indicator lights that are showing connectivity and range. So here I have still the ability to control the thrusters and engines. And as we kind of walk past away from the vessel, we'll start to slowly walk away until we get to a point where the remote starts to pulsate in my hand, letting me know that I'm getting away from the distance, the actual range capability of the yacht controller. And as you see here, we're now on the walkway here, roughly about 30-40 feet away from the vessel. We continue to walk, and I continue to have range of the vessel's thrusters and engines. And we're showing this here. So right around this area here, the remote is still in control, where it's starting to give you a pulsating, letting you know you're starting to get close to an area where you're getting close to the end of that range. So as we start taking a few steps further back, you'll see here, and right about here, I've now lost control. And the remote is now pulsating. You're now scrolling on two red LED indicators. And as you can see here, we've got a range of over 49 yards, which is approximately 160 feet off of the vessel. So when you think about security and redundancy, you can truly see that the dual band technology sets the bar and continues to raise the bar in wireless control.